can see her little ear holes. Look at how far she's spreading her wings. And the way she's fluffing her feathers. Yeah, you're having a wash. Wash, wash. Is that how you keep your feathers nice, Yoshi? Huh? Is that how your feathers stay so pretty? Oh, she's even spreading her tail out.
Yep.
It's really spectacular, actually.
You want some more water in there, Yoshi?
Do you want more water? Yeah, there you go. Yep. Oh, she's very happy with that. Wow. Okay. She's really got. Whoa. She's really got power to that little head of hers. Is that enough? No? You want more?
No, she's had enough. She's sort of looking around like it.
Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. Okay. Oh no. No. There's more.
Why in a glass?
Apparently, maybe she can smell me in the glass.
I don't know.
I've been using that cup for a couple of days to drink out of when I sleep. Are you finished? No? Oh, okay.
It goes on and on and on.
Oh, she has to finish eventually. She can't keep going forever.
It's all over the floor, the water too.
Yeah, it's all over me. It's really going everywhere.
You're a funny bird, Yoshi.
Oh wow.
What?
Oh, I just saw that there's like a flap of skin that seems to sort of come over her ear hole.
Stop water getting in, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, you've got funny little ear holes, Yoshi. What's the point of shaking yourself off if you're going to just get wet again?
Well, she's shaking off the dirty stuff all over you.
Yeah. Oh, Yoshi. Yoshi, Yoshi, Yoshi. What are we going to do with you? Huh? Aren't you a bit cold now? Aren't you cold? Can I have a kiss? Oh, good girl. That was such a funny little noise. What a good girl. Do you want to give me another kiss? Good girl. Yeah, he's recording you. Yeah, he's taking your picture. So people can see what you look like when you're having a bath. Yeah. Really, you're giving the whole kitchen a bath right now. Yeah, you had the water like pretty close to the top, and she's worked it all the way down there again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing, actually, she could actually stand on the glass and still get her head in down that far, isn't it?
Yeah, she's very flexible.
Yeah. I'm getting the camera wet now.
Yeah.
All right. I might stop.
Yeah.
There's about 5 minutes worth there.
Yeah. Yeah,
Chuff, chuff.
you're a star. You know that? You're in movies. Wow. She's still going. Yeah, she's actually gotten her back pretty good now. Usually she doesn't go that far. She just gets her head and that's about it. But this
Oh,
time,
I'm waiting for her to get her wings in.
yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
Well,
She's got a lot of her wings pretty wet. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, this is the most I've seen her do, I think.
She says she's got water up her nose, up her beak.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's rubbing her head on the glass now.
Yeah, she's cleaning her eyes. And cleaning her beak. Ooh! Oh, she just slapped me in the face with her wing. Are you okay? You had enough?
Looks like it.